Okay, thanks to rising prices, home buyers in Bangalore are always looking for an area that provides affordable to mid-segment housing. Kanakpura Road is one area in Bangalore that seems to be a growing favorite with them. What's making this area click with home buyers? Lakshmi Sivadas finds out.
Rahul Nayak currently lives in Uttarahalli in South Bangalore. A senior manager at an auto firm in the city, Rahul also loves to invest in the residential market. He already has 2 houses which he has rented out and is now considering a third one as well. His choice every time has been Kanakpura Road.
Even if I have to rent out tomorrow, there are a lot of professionals who will use that location and commute to Electronic City because nice road is there and it takes about 20 minutes to reach office without traffic, which is heaven in Bangalore.
While Rahul is interested in the rental yields that the area is offering, experts say that Kanakpura Road is still a primarily end-user driven market. While the area was initially popular for plotted developments, it is now evolving into a market popular for mid-segment apartment projects. Apart from this, the IT corridors of Bannerghatta Road, Jayanagar, JP Nagar and Electronic City are all within reach from Kanakpura Road. Coupled with affordable home options, experts say that this area is drawing in home buyers from the IT sector.
South Bangalore, if you look at Bannerghatta Road, Jayanagar, JP Nagar, very expensive for a buyer who has a budget of say 55 to 75 lakhs. He's not going to get a good home, and even if he does, it won't be from an A-grade developer. And therefore, the only other location that is left is Kanakpura Road, which has great potential in terms of infrastructure, in terms of schools, in terms of hospitals, connectivity to Electronic City, connectivity to Hosur Road.
Infrastructure projects giving the region a boost include the Namma Metro, which is 85% complete, the existing NICE infrastructure corridor connecting Electronic City and Mysore Road, and road widening that the government has undertaken. Prices in Kanakpura Road have appreciated from 3,309 rupees per square feet in the first quarter of 2012 to 4,819 rupees per square feet in the first quarter of 2015. Top developers in the region include the Brigade Group, Mantri Developers and the Prestige Group. However, commercial activity in this micro market is minimal.
This particular micro market hasn't seen any commercial development over the last 10 years. When I say commercial development, I mean in terms of the IT and IT-enabled sector. A lot of developers have talked about doing commercial projects in that particular micro market. Having said that, nobody has announced it yet. Everybody is waiting to see the metro development get complete. Once the commercial development starts coming in and then the social infrastructure within this particular micro market starts evolving, that's when you will see a lot more investors coming.
Once the metro is fully functional, experts expect the rental yield from residential property to go up by 6 to 8% and from commercial property to go up between 15 and 20%. From Bengaluru, Lakshmi Sivadas for NDTV.